I don't get real technical on this stuff. Come right up here. I'm getting ready to do a thing and mark out my beds. Oh yeah, you turn that on too.
Yeah, we can get both going.
Hey, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. A little bit rainy out, and my boy Robert right here was coming through from Fort Bragg.
Fort Bragg.
Am I okay to say that?
Yeah.
Okay. First and foremost, Mr. Robert serves our great country in the Army.
Yeah.
And thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
So, you know I'm a big supporter of our military and law enforcement and all that kind of thing. So, I get a real deal person here. Man, I get lit up. So, Robert has Turf Therapy.
Turf Therapy.
Turf Therapy YouTube. Y'all make sure you go check him out. Got some really cool videos and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
And a little bit of brief history is Robert was having some
stress.
Right. Some stress.
PTSD.
Yep.
Name it whatever you want.
See,
business.
You gotta wait for them to go right. And so he was looking for a way out and got into lawn care and making videos and stuff like that. And that was kind of his coping mechanism. Is that a good way to word it?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, and so now he does that, and it's kind of his, we were just talking a minute ago, and it's amazing how when you get in the yard, see,
it comes.
It takes me forever to do a video.
This is a busy road, guys.
Yeah. When you get in the yard, all the noise stops. You know what I mean?
Like right now.
Yeah, like right now, yeah. Rip, say something.
Right.
So that's really cool, man, that you take something that maybe just be an everyday, ordinary thing for whoever, I gotta mow the grass.
Right.
And you're turning it into something to help relieve a problem.
I think it's really cool too.
Yeah.
You know, I discovered it completely on accident.
Yeah.
You know, and then the mission of the channel is, well, it started out as directly geared towards other service members, not just Army. You know, I love my Marines and Air Force and Navy as well.
Hoorah!
But you know, along the way, I realized civilians deal with it too.
Mm-hmm.
So you know, I kind of refocused and opened it up for everyone. But it's really good for soldiers to see other soldiers being outspoken about, hey, I deal with stress. This is a healthy way to deal with it. So, and also, there's nothing more patriotic than the soldier having the best lawn on the block.
That's right.
I think that's
what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And you've heard me say it a million times, man. I'll put my headphones on, get a little praise and worship going on, and I forget about the world.
That's it.
You know what I mean?
In that moment,
it's just me and the Lord and my grass, and the heck with everything else.
Yeah.
So, good deal.
For at least 30 minutes to an hour and a half, however much land you got, I don't know.
That's right. Well, today I'm going to mark out my beds over here for my beds, to put my beds in, because this fall I'm going to be planting some crepe myrtle and some stuff like that over here.
On this edge line right here?
Yeah, that little orange line right there.
Okay.
From there back will be a natural area, and it's going to look really cool.
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm ready to get this done, get it behind me, and be finished.
Cool.
So,
all right.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for stopping by.
Hey, no problem.
It's my pleasure to meet you.
I appreciate it.
Yep, you're welcome here anytime.
Okay.
Anytime.
Hey, I might be right up the street here soon, so.
You're welcome here anytime.
We'll see.
Good deal.
All right, Pete.
Cool. What I got here, my fence is going to go along this, where that line is at.
Okay.
It's going to be like a black, kind of pretty looking fence.
Right here?
Yeah, not the hose pipe, but the rope.
Right.
And it'll be like one of those aluminum style black fence.
Okay.
And then
that gives you a little privacy back here.
Yeah, kind of separate everything. This is my front yard. We work back there.
Right.
And then this line here is where the bed's actually going to be.
Okay.
And I'm going to edge that out with a machine and put the little groove in it.
You're going to use the
ABI with the little bed groove. Yep. It'll be quick. It'll take me about 3 minutes to do it.
Right. I'm sure you're recording.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, and then once I groove it out, I'll come back with some glyphosate or Roundup, kill it. I'll probably come in here with a little bit of, I don't know, compost or something.
Right.
And kind of work it in the ground, just enriching it up just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then lay out my plants.
Right.
Plant them, mulch it. I'm probably going to put another sign in the front.
Okay.
On the actual fence. I've got GCI turf services there, but I'm probably going to put Academy sign right there.
Okay.
Because this is where I do all my filming for Bermuda.
Right.
So that'll be cool.
Yeah, you always have it in the background.
Yeah. So we'll do that, and then I'm going to line it up with some crepe myrtles, and then some super low maintenance type. I hate pruning.
Right.
I despise it with a passion.
Yeah, just make it easier for yourself.
So I'm going to super low maintenance and do it, mulch it, and then I'll just mow and feed it. So basically, I took a tape measure and marked off 7 feet from where my fence line is going to be. And I took some spray paint and marked out a line so that will give me something to follow when I'm edging my beds. Now, when I'm creating a curve in a corner, I don't like to make that a sharp curve. I like to make it a gradual turn so it makes my mowing really, really simple. I really am looking forward to showing you the finished product out here. We're really, really getting close, and it won't be long now. Basically, all I have to do is edge out my beds, and then I can maybe amend the ground with a little bit of compost where I'm going to be planting at. And once I do all that, I'll be ready to plant all my tree and shrub that are going to go in this area. I'll get a fence installed sometime during this process, and once I get everything done, I can finally say I have a pretty cool front yard at the office. You coming?
Still here? Oh.
Yeah, come on. He's going to try to get out of the video, man. All right, so there you go. I'll be back, and I'll show you cutting the beds out and all that stuff, and planting his plants over the winter and the whole 9 yards. So again, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
I appreciate you.
I really appreciate it.
And again, go check him out, Turf Therapy, really cool channel. And good luck and be safe going back to wherever it is you're going.
Same.
All right. Peace out.
I'll see y'all.
Check you later.